Hey, what's up guys? Dr. M3 here with a new video for you. As you know, I've been enjoying my Tesla Model Y performance for the last year or so. I've done over 30,000 miles in that period of time, and now I have a new surprise. Many of you have been waiting on the Tesla Roadster or the Cybertruck, but I had something that's probably the next best thing. And I want to share that with you today. But before I do that, I want you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn notifications on, so you get these videos whenever I post them. It's kind of snowing here. Let's go inside and take a look at what this new Tesla is. Let's go. All right, so here it is, guys. This is the Cyberquad. If you remember, Tesla announced this, I think, in September of 2021. And they went on sale in December. And so I wanted this for Christmas, but it didn't make it here in time. But it doesn't matter because it's here and we're gonna do an unboxing. Now, we've also have another unit that you haven't seen a lot of videos on this yet, but it's my Lamborghini go-kart, and we're gonna make a comparison in a different video, but just keep that in mind. Okay, here we go. Unboxing the Tesla Cyberquad. All right, this is always fun. So Tesla says that this is for kids, but we all know that we're all big kids and will forever be big kids. So this is designed actually for adults. Oh, here we go. Ooh. Looking good so far. All right, so let's start with the wheels. Holy cow. Oh yeah, they're meaty. Look at that. And it's full rubber too. All right, very good. Well, we're gonna take these, lay them out. We have, it looks like the wheel caps. So we're gonna show you once I get everything out here. We've got some bolts, and it says Cyberquad. This unit, by the way, is made by RadioFlyer. And you know, RadioFlyer makes lots and lots of these kid toys. They've been doing this for like 100 years, I think. Ugh. Worst unboxing. Yikes. All right. All right. We're getting close to stuff. So here's the handlebar. We'll leave this because it's still attached. We'll get rid of this styrofoam on either side so we can get more to the good stuff. We're just making a mess in here, but hey, it's all good. Shock absorber, looks like part of the suspension. This may be the battery. We're gonna find out. We'll just lay this stuff all out on the floor and see what's up. So, another of the wheel caps. And I say we go ahead and lift this out of here. So, you want to help me, somebody? Oh. Ready? Here we go. This is the main body. That's the main body of the Cyberquad. And we've got another hubcap. So it's going to go ahead and take the plastic off here, get the handlebars through here. Oh, looking nice. Oh yeah. Okay, so you can see already what this thing looks like. It's pretty cool. It's got, feels like it's, actually this is plastic. I thought this was going to be metallic, but it's plastic. This is rubberized here for the seat. All plastic. I mean, is that what the Cybertruck going to be? All plastic? But Here, I'm gonna jump on. This is gonna be sweet. This is nice. All right, let's go ahead and put this bad boy together, and we'll show you when it's done. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Here is the Cyberquad together. It's about an hour or so to put this thing all together. There are a bunch of quirky little things that you'll find out, like trying to put the hubcaps on, kind of a little bit of a mess, but it's really good. I would suggest that when you start assembling this, that you plug the battery in, so at least you'll have an opportunity to kind of play with this a little bit. So we're gonna show you this out in the snow, because where else do you use a quad? Let's go.
You should have some of these things. Battery.
Ring the bell.
Ring the bell, please.
Turn it on so you can see the light. And when you do the brake, does the brake light come?
Hey.
Hey, it does look like plastic.
It does look
that.
Race lights. Forwards, backwards. We should do a rap.
Yeah, we should do
Swapped over to different hands and classic duck. Nice. We can do a sick. Nice. Right.
The one thing they actually put
Yeah, there's one thing that actually.
So one of the things we quickly noticed with the new Cyberquad is that these tires are just not made for the snow. You can see we're struggling here with it, but nonetheless, I think it's still going to be a lot of fun. These tires are just not made to work on snow, and you can see how, even though they're a bit studded, they just don't work.
Well, at least it's got a nice turning radius.
I mean, yeah, it just doesn't move.
It doesn't move on snow.
I'm too light.
Oh my god.
Bring it back in the garage. Bring it back in the garage.
Folks, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. We'll bring you a lot more on this Cyberquad when we get a chance to play with it. With that said, thanks for watching. Be sure to follow us in the next video. Peace. This is so good.